A warm namaste to all the listeners of Skill Ayurveda. Today, I will be speaking on a renowned Ayurvedic treatment modality that is Nasya Karma, and there will be a brief demonstration. As per Ayurveda, nose is considered the door to your brain. It has been used to treat diseases of head, neck, eyes, diseases of ENT, that is ear, nose and throat. Apart from these, Nasya also boosts the cosmetic health of scalp hair and facial skin. Nasya therapy has been used since ancient time to heal the diseases like stress, memory loss, migraines and such headaches, insomnia, that is sleeplessness, sinusitis, tinnitus and many more. It is due to the tremendous health benefits of Nasya Karma that it is included as fundamental part of Panchakarma, that is 5 Ayurvedic detoxification procedures. The procedure of Nasya Karma will begin with a gentle massage over your face, neck, head and shoulders with a warm herbal oils. The choice of the oils depends on the disease being treated. While we are doing face massage, the areas of the face like frontal area, temporal area, the sinus areas like frontal and maxillary sinus will be massaged with a gentle pressure. When we are doing the massage around the nose, the root of the nose, the bridge of the nose will be of our concern. While doing massage around the eyes, the gentle pressure will be applied not to harm the eyes. All the parts of the face will be massaged gently to complete the facial massage of Nasya Karma. In Nasya Karma, the dose of the oil, that is nasal medication, again depends on the severity of the disease or the tolerance of the patient. Usually, dose will be 2 drops each nostrils when you are taking it for prevention purpose. If you are taking this therapy to treat any disease, then the dose could be 4 drops, 6 drops or even 8 drops each nostril. Coming to the medications or Nasya formulations, Nasya Dravya or the nasal medication could be either in the oil form or even the fresh juice or extract form. While you are taking Nasya therapy, you will be advised to follow some of the rules like you should not sleep in the daytime, you are not supposed to be in the AC rooms, you should avoid the cold breeze. As such, these may trigger your conditions which will be being treated by Nasya Karma. The massage will be followed by a steam inhalation. While inhaling steam, you can cover with a towel. Next, after steam inhalation, the main part of therapy, that is oils like Anutailam, Shadbindu Tailam or Kshirabala, 101 Avartita Tailam or any other herbal oils pertaining to specific disease specificity will be put inside the each nostrils. Here, for installation into the nose, you can use either a dropper or a cotton plug with which you can squeeze the oils into the nostrils. After the installation of oil into each nostrils, there should be a mild, gentle massage over the bridge of the nose till the root of the nose. After that, there should be a warm water for throat gargling. All those mucus, the oil which has reached back of the throat should be cleaned with a warm water. The throat should be cleaned several times to evacuate the mucus from the nose and throat. Now, let us see who can take this Nasya Karma. The one who is suffering from diseases of head like migraine, sinusitis, tension headache, or the one who is suffering from diseases of neck like cervical spondylosis, brain neck stiffness and radiating pain in the neck and shoulders, And cosmetic issues like melasma, acne can also be considered for Nasya Karma. Specifically, neurological diseases like facial paralysis, hemifacial spasms can also be treated with Nasya Karma. And there are some contraindications for Nasya Karma, which are like the one who has indigestion or who has been intoxicated with alcohol, or soon after taking head bath, or who wishes to take head bath, the one who is suffering from fever, hunger, thirst are contraindicated for Nasya therapy. This Nasya Karma is mainly contraindicated during pregnancy. There is a unique form of this Nasya Karma, that is Pratimarsha Nasya. In simple words, the one which has no contraindications, no complications, and packed with multi-angle benefits, which can be practiced on daily basis to prevent formation of grey hairs, wrinkles, acne, and overall which prevents premature aging, which is Pratimarsha Nasya, can be practiced daily.